Okay. Good morning to all of you. Today we will be dealing with a new chapter. Okay. Take out your textbook, part 1. Your English textbook, part 1. Today we will be dealing with a new chapter, a very interesting chapter. And the title of our chapter is Three Questions. Okay. Three Questions. That's the title of our chapter. It is a
Yes, ma'am, I
Japanese,
have read the story.
it's a Japanese folklore. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I
what is a
have read the
folklore,
story.
children? What is a folklore? Do you know what is a folklore?
Ma'am, Felix.
Ma'am,
Just raise your hand. Okay, no sound should come. I want to give chance to all, so I'll choose. Okay, be ready with your answer there. What do you know or what do you understand by a folklore? Yes, Janvi?
story told by pe- story
Story
told
told
by
by?
people
Mm.
of a city or country.
Story told by a people or a city or a country. Okay. Felix? Mm. What do you understand by folklore?
Folk tale.
Huh. Folktale and folklore, is there any difference?
I don't know that. First time,
Okay, you're not sure of.
first
Okay.
time hearing it.
All right. Aditi?
Ma'am, I'm not so sure, but I think it is a traditional stories.
Yes, traditional stories. Okay. Ridvi?
Ma'am, old stories.
Old stories. Okay. Anybody else? Kirtana?
Ma'am, traditional story of Japan.
Traditional stories of Japan. Okay, good. Adidev?
Ma'am, the moral stories.
Moral stories. Okay. All right. Any other answer? Sarah?
Ma'am, a traditional story of a country or a people.
Okay, traditional stories, moral stories. Okay, what you said is correct. Let's have a look at what is a folklore. I'm going to share the screen with you. Yes, can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen? What is
Ma'am,
a folktale? Okay, folktale or folklore, it's the same. A folktale is a story with no non-author. Okay, we do not know. Some of you have been muted. Children, please don't play on the mute button. Okay, listen now. Folktale is a story with no non-author. Folktales are passed down from one generation to another by word of mouth. Okay, so when we learn the story, when we learn the chapter 3 questions, we will not know who is the author of the story. Okay, we may not know who is the author of the story and who is speaking. Who is speaking now? And these stories are passed down from one generation to another by word of mouth. It keeps on going orally. Okay, the story is passed from one person to another in oral form. They teach lessons and teach you about the consequences of certain kinds of behaviors or attitudes. When we learn the story, we will come to understand. They teach lessons. That means the story contains a moral value. Sometimes they start with once upon a time or long time ago. Sometimes. Okay, rarely, in rare cases, this folk tale starts, the beginning of the story will be like once upon a time or long time ago. They usually have a character that is evil that the hero must overcome. This folktale will have a evil character and the hero has to overcome it. Then the characters often use trickery to defeat the evil character or to complete the task. And many things occur in threes. That is, three main characters, three magic objects, three tasks to complete, etc. Okay, so in this folk tale also we find that the title itself, it's 3 questions. Yes, Sarah, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, you told right, this generation will come to another by word mouth.
Generation means years. Okay,
Yeah,
so
it will pass from other
people
people.
pass. Yes, yes. These traditional stories are passed from one person to another or from one generation to another orally. Okay, nobody knows the author of the story. No one knows who wrote the story, but they keep on uh, orally conveying the story from one person to another. Okay.
So, ma'am, all the people in Japan, they will be writing the story as a Japanese folk tale like that.
Each country has got its own traditional folk tales. Okay. Now, children, this is actually a funny story, and I'm sure that you all will enjoy. Do you all like humor or fun?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. All right.
I love it a
So, shall
lot.
we enjoy some fun today? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I will share the screen with you. Okay, we can read and enjoy. Uh, just a minute. Let me take the slide for you. Okay. Before
I
that,
have read this story.
oh, okay, okay, okay. But
my
here I
course.
have. Let me show you some of the cover pages of folk tales. Okay,
It was
just
so
have
funny
a.
that I stopped.
Tongue sparrow.
Can you see the slide, children? What slide
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
see now? What slide can you
What is
see?
a folktale? That's like
What is
Oh,
a
okay,
folk
okay.
tale?
I'm trying.
I have network issue. Ma'am, can we join now because she had a network issue? You
Okay, but
already joined, but video was off.
I do not know what has happened. I think board is not responding. Okay, children, for the time being, can you see the cover page of folktale, Japanese folktale?
Yes.
The
Yes.
tongue-cut sparrow.
Japanese folk tale.
Yes.
Okay.
Cut sparrow.
Then the next one, the wave. Huh?
the way.
Yeah. Then the bamboo cutter and the moon maiden.
Yes. Yes.
Then battle of the monkey and the crab.
Oh boy,
Yes.
Battle of the Monkey and the
Peach
Crab.
boy.
Yes.
Then
Peach
the moon
boy?
princess. The moon princess.
Moon Princess.
The unhappy stone cutter.
Yes.
Then the tale of the nine-tailed fox.
What?
What?
Okay.
It's
The tale of nine-tailed fox.
what's that?
Then what's that?
Silly stories.
Felix,
I'm
they are
not-
imaginary. They are not real.
Yeah, I
I'm not
know
able
that.
to take the screen
But
full,
there are some
full
foxes.
screen.
Not Minion.
Some-
Mountain.
Okay. Children, be quiet. Now we are going to enjoy some fun. Okay. I have collected some slides for you. Just have a look at it. The first one. Who said English is easy? Fill this blank with yes or no. Okay, you just read it silently. Dash, I don't have a brain. Fill it with yes or no. Second one, blank, I don't have sense. Third, dash, I'm stupid. Are you able to fill it with yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I know that.
Yes. Yes.
In whichever way you say, the statement becomes true, isn't it? If I
Yes.
use the word yes, I don't have a brain, then you're admitting.
Yes, I don't have a brain.
Okay.
Yes, I
No,
don't have
I
a
don't
brain.
have
Okay,
a brain.
now look at this slide, children. Who says English is easy? Don't believe? Then fill the blank with either yes or no. Oh, blank, I am a monkey. Is it
Yes.
possible to fill with yes
Yes,
or no?
I'm a
Oh,
monkey.
yes.
Okay,
Everyone is
okay. Next one.
Yes,
A person
I'm a
goes.
monkey. I read before.
Okay. No more explanation. Okay. If you go for a lot of explanation, then we will not be able to cover all these slides. Now listen. A person goes to the doctor with his 5-year son. Person, doctor, my son has swallowed a key, so we came to you. Doctor, when did he swallow a key? Person, 10 days back. Doctor, and now you're coming to me after 10 days? Why? Person, we had a duplicate key, but today it is lost. Did you understand the fun?
I didn't understand,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I understood it.
I
It's a
didn't
joke.
understand.
Okay. Be quiet. Who did not understand that? Who did not understand? Just raise the hand. Srihari. Only Srihari. Others understood? Okay.
Ma'am, one time the child swallowed the key. Then
Yeah.
they made a duplicate key.
Yeah.
And then
And
it
that was
lost.
also
Then who
swallowed.
ate that key?
The duplicate tree also swallowed by the.
Okay. Next one. Listen. Next one. Tell me a sentence that starts with an I. Teacher is asking a question to the child. Tell me a sentence that starts with an I. Student, I is the teacher. Stop. Never put is after an I. Always put am after an I. Student, okay, I'm the 9th letter of the alphabet. Got the idea?
No, ma'am, I didn't get.
Okay.
Ma'am, these are like riddles.
Yes, some of them are like riddles, some of them are really funny statements or dialogues. Okay, this one you did not understand. It comes in grammar. Usually, when we use the pronoun I, we use I. I am a girl. I am a boy. I am a student. I am a teacher. Okay, so usually we use am with I. So, teacher asked a question. Tell me a sentence starting with I. Okay, then the student began his sentence like this: I is the. So teacher corrected, no, you should not use is after I, but you have to use I am. So the child said, I am the 9th letter of the alphabet. Understood? Actually, the child meant to say that I, he is referring to the alphabet. I is the 9th letter of the alphabet. But when the teacher corrected, then the student changed it and he said, I am the 9th letter of the alphabet. Did you understand that? Yes? Okay, all right. Now let's move into the next slide.
Yes, now I understood.
Yes.
Now I
After
understand.
English exam.
Quite funny.
After English exam, how was the paper? It was easy, but it was easy, but question 5 confused me. What was the question? Question 5 wanted the past tense of think. I thought and ended up with writing tinged. Understood?
I understood, ma'am.
Yes. What is the
Very
past tense of
I
think?
understood.
Past tense of think is thought.
Thought.
Okay. So the child says that I thought, and after that I wrote
he said
think.
the past.
He said the past tense itself.
Yes, and
think.
there is no word. There is no word in English like tinged. There is no word in English like tinged. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Wife joins English speaking class after few days. Wife, welcome home, darling. Husband, I'm so tired today. Wife, okay, rest in peace.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Okay.
Rest in peace.
Next one. Teacher, why are you late today? Student, because of sign down the road. Teacher, what does a sign have to do with your being late? Student, the sign said, school ahead, go slow.
I didn't understand.
I understood.
Ah,
I understood.
okay.
Ma'am,
Can I tell?
How
Ma'am,
many of
can
you?
I
How
tell?
many of you did not understand that? How many of you did not understand that? Huh? Did not understand. Okay, some of you did not understand. I will explain. The child came late to the class. So teacher asked, why are you late? So the child said, I saw a board. I saw a slow down board. That is why I am late. So teacher asked, what is the connection with the board and you coming to the class? So the child said, on the board it was written, school ahead, go slow. Okay, actually that board is meant for vehicles. Okay, vehicles have to go slow because the school is there. Children will be crossing the road. But the child thought that school is in front of him, so he has to go slow. Is that clear? Is that joke clear? Yes. Okay. All right. Now let me take you to the next slide. Son is asking to his father, Dad, can you write in the dark? Dad, I think so. What is it you want me to write? Son, your name on this report card. Look at the report card, children. What do you see there? The son has failed in all the exams. Okay, he did not get any marks at all, and he wants his dad to write in the dark. Otherwise, what happens? His dad will scold him, isn't it? So in the dark, he wants his dad to sign on his report card. Okay, the next one. Doctor, have you ever fainted before? Patient, yes, the last time you told me your fees. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Yes? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
He has fainted once. That was when the doctor said his fees. The fees was so high. So the patient has fainted. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the joke you said before, right? Can you write in the dark? I saw it in one cartoon. One student have been lost,
Student has.
have been failed in
Student
every
has.
exam, and he talked to his friend loudly. His father sitting in front of him, and told his friend, "Hey, hey, do you know my dad? How many can write in the dark?" Um, then his father said, "Hey, I can also write in the dark." Then what should I write? Then the third friend, he was stupid. Okay, he was stupid, and he said, "His report card."
Yes. Okay.
And when the father looks, he sees all the failure marks of F.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Student, teacher, would you punish me for something I didn't do? Teacher, no. Student, I didn't do my homework.
Yes, I understood.
I understood. I understood.
Okay, next one. Wherever we keep the money, our son steals it. I don't know what to do about it. Where do I keep the money? Keep it in his books. He never touches them.
What I understood.
Ma'am, can I
Did
tell
understand?
Philip? Can I tell the meaning? Can I tell the meaning?
The son will take
Ma'am?
the money every time.
Mother says, okay, mother
Ma'am.
says to the child's father, wherever I keep the money, our son steals it. He takes it without permission. So the mother is very much confused. What can I do? Then the father says, you just keep it inside his books. He never opens his book. That means the child never learns anything. He never opens his book. So you can keep it safely in his book. Okay, next one.
Understood right away.
Next one. It's the English classroom. One day our country will be corruption free. Which tense it is? The teacher is teaching tenses. The child says future impossible tense. Did you get that?
Future.
Future
Yes.
impossible tense.
Future actually will be correction free. Okay, future tense. Future tense it is. Okay, simple future tense. But then the child says that future impossible tense. That means it will never happen. Our country will never become corruption free. So the child says future impossible.
Now I
tense.
understand.
What did you told now?
Yes. Okay. Next one.
The more
This one you have to listen carefully. Okay.
I
This
heard
is
it
a
in the
WhatsApp
mic.
conversation. WhatsApp conversation. I heard you failed in English. Who told you? Look at that. Who told you? It is impossible. I saw the result yesterday. I passed away. Okay, bye. Bye bye. God bless you. Is that joke clear?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand.
Ma'am, can you share that once again?
Yes, yes, yes. Once again.
ma'am, 1 minute.
I'll share it once again. Okay. My goodness. See, in all these conversations, there are so many mistakes. Okay. I heard you failed in English. That is actually a statement. Okay, not a question. Then who told you? There is no word in English like told you. Who told you? Who told you? Past tense of tell is told, not told. And it is impossible. Impossible is not a proper word. It is impossible. Okay, impossible. We have learned the prefix I am plus possible. It becomes impossible and not impossible. And I sowed. There is no such word like sowed. I saw. I saw the result yesterday and I have passed. And he has written I passed away. What do you mean by I passed away? That means he is no more alive. Okay, bye. May God bless you. No, actually, he meant to say that, may God bless you. Okay, but he said, God bless you. All right. So I hope that joke is also clear to you. And the next one.
This is so funny.
God blast you.
Yes, teacher. What is the purpose of having school? Student, without school, there wouldn't be a reason for holidays and summer vacation.
And without school, there will be no holidays.
Yes, the child says that
Yeah.
holidays and summer vacation is only because of schools.
Yeah.
Okay, then the
If
last
there was
one.
no school, he will not get summer vacations.
Yes, yes. The last one. Why do women live longer than men? Answer: shopping never causes heart attacks, but paying the bills does. Okay, women get a lot of shopping and men pay the bill. Isn't it, children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And then
All
gives
right.
them.
All right. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed all the jokes. Huh?
What a joke. I love that conversation joke.
I
God
like
blast you.
that conversation joke so much. I had to take a screenshot or photo.
Oh.
Yes, I love that joke.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I sound.
So I hope you all have liked at least one or two of the jokes that I showed you.
Yeah,
Many. Okay.
I like many of
All
them.
right. Very good. Very good.
I like that minions. Who told you English is easy?
Yes,
Like
yes,
that.
yes.
Yes or no?
I
All right.
liked all of them.
All
All
of
of
them.
them were so funny.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Same.
Now let's practice tongue twisters. Okay.
Yes.
Open your page 24. Page 24. We have a few tongue twisters here. Okay, let's practice. First one, listen. Siddhi Dil, you want to be the teacher? What is your ambition? Siddhi?
Teacher.
IPS officer.
IPS officer. So be quiet for some time. Okay. I'll read the tongue twister for you. You have to practice it silently first, and after that, I'll allow you to mute. Okay. I will allow you to unmute. First one. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger. Just practice it along with me. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Ma'am, I got it.
Tha. Okay, th. The sound of th is soft sound. Tha sound. Okay, so t has got the sound ta, and th has got the sound tha, soft sound. So practice. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. You have to become fast. Okay, a tiny
Ma'am,
tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Lie little got
Okay.
it fast.
Finish practicing. Can anyone
Yes,
give me the
finish.
answer? Okay, Ashwal Krishna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute. Okay. Unmute now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give me the sentence. A tiny tiger
A
thinks
tiny,
tough thoughts.
a tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Make it fast. Be more quick.
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Okay, who can give me a fast answer? Aditi, will you be able to give me the sentence quickly? Unmute. Unmute, Aditi. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. The tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Once again, 3 or 4 times. A tiny tiger.
Okay, ma'am. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Ah,
A
Make it
tiny
fast.
tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
it is not ta, it is ta. Tiny tiger.
Tiny tiger.
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. Okay. Practice it. Niranjan, next. The same sentence.
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
5 times. Say it fast. Quickly.
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny
Once again.
tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Uh,
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Okay, all right. Now let's practice the second one. Listen, all of you. If 2 witches were watching 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch? Huh? If 2 witches were watching 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch? Come on, practice it. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Yes? Ready to give me the answer? If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Yes, Manav? Yes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say that?
Yes, 5 times quickly.
Yes, ma'am. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Hmm.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Yes.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Make it fast.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Okay, okay. All right. In between, you got stuck, but still. Mayuk, yes, now it's your chance. The same sentence. Make it fast.
Two witches were watching two watches. Which witch would watch two?
Wa, wa. Always remember when W comes, you have to round your lips. Okay, wa. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Wa. Round your lips. Round your lips. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Two witches were watching two watches. Which witch would watch which watches?
Hmm.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watches?
All right. Next, Manjima. Okay, thank you, Mayuk. Manjima, let me hear from you. You can unmute.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch?
Which
If
witch?
two witches-
Which witch would watch which watch? In between, you should not miss it out.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Okay, okay. Thank you, Manjima. Next, Ojas. Ojas, unmute. Ojas.
If two witches were watching which two watches, which witch would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would which watch? If two
Which
witches
witch
were
would watch which watch? Which witch would watch which watch?
if two witches were watching two watches, which witch would which watch? If
No, no, no. Which would watch which watch? Which would watch which watch? Which what watch which watch? Okay, all right. The last sentence. The last sentence. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 eggs. Okay, practice it. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 eggs. Practice it quickly. Yes, Hrudvi, unmute.
Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each
Fast,
Easter
fast, fast.
Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each
Okay.
Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Nasnia? Nasnia, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Okay, okay, thank you. Next, Kirtana. Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Eddie eats, not eats. Eats.
Okay, ma'am. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Eddie, not Eddie. Okay. Nainika? Nainika, unmute. Unmute. No, you haven't unmuted. Okay, Rusa?
Each Easter Eddie eats
80 eggs.
Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs.
Okay, okay. Next, Navaneet. Navaneet? Unmute, Navaneet. Yes.
Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter Eddie eats 80 eggs. Each Easter
80 eggs.
Eddie eats, not eat. Okay, next, Jenika. The first one, first sentence, Jenika. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts. A tiny tiger
Be
thinks
fast, be fast.
a tiny tiger thinks tough thoughts.
Okay, next one, Rudra. The second sentence. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Be quick.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, children. So it's time for us to wind up. I hope you had fun today. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all have fun? Did you enjoy?
Can you send that joke in the WhatsApp?
You want me to send the jokes in the WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am. I am going to put those jokes as my status.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
I want those jokes if I.
Ma'am, can you send that joke?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you?
Okay, I'll try to send it today, by today evening or tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.